How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Hello, Kuri. Yeah. Contractor, how you doing, my friend? I'm glad to be back too. Sunday Open is coming, brother. We good now? Yeah, you guys saw the Trump like incident again? NQ gapping up today? Yeah, man, I don't know. Like maybe yeah. Where's Pasha? Yeah, like today I'm the one that does the Sunday Open stream. He's probably chilling with his family, you know? Shorts on open? I don't know, brother. I'm going to wait for the first minutes of price action, probably. Happy Sunday, School Crunch. How you doing? Garcia, Joshua, how you doing, my friend? You don't usually trade Sunday, Sean? Yeah, let's see. Maybe I think today's is going to get a little bit of like movement, you know? Hello, Hugo. How you doing, my friend? First weekend in a while from no major news. Yeah, the only big news was like the Trump incident, like the shooter and everything, but like that's not that's not really I think important news. Like the guy didn't accomplish anything. Warlord Gaming, how you doing? I think we gap down more than 300 points. Maybe yeah. 10 minutes. 10 minutes away. Gap down. Yeah. Let me see the financial juice website. Trump. Yeah, 7 p.m. Eastern time on CBS. Trump's going to get interviewed, bro. So 7 p.m. Eastern time. It's 1 hour after opens. That's it. Is that it? Yeah, 1 hour after open, Trump will be interviewed on CBS. Yeah, so that's probably gonna make market move. The U.S. Coast Guard has seized oil from Iran in the Indian Ocean. An earthquake struck Japan. He pulled the peace talk. Yeah. Are you guys hearing okay? Is everything okay? Gary, no problem, my friends. My pleasure. Yeah, I think I was just trying to hear the feedback. Yeah, guys, right here, right here is how I stay alive on the stream, brother. Yeah, I didn't even hit the like button yet, bro. Now it's done. Warlord, do you think we gapped down more than 300 points, brother? Yeah, Gary, tell him. Thumbs up. Thumbs up and subscribe, brother. And thanks for watching. I have an Apex funded to activate today. Let me see if I can do that right now. Apex. Is that the VWAP? Yeah, it was 100% the VWAP. I'm going to put the EMAs too. Yeah, gotta take advantage of that activation fee being more cheap, being cheaper. It's not working, man. Hope I can get at least 200 bucks on this Sunday Open. Yeah, yeah. I always like to when Sunday Open does like when you make a little bit of money on Sunday Open. It's nice. Flex, I'm very good, and you? How was the weekend, brother? The global, I think I was not talking. That's why I was quiet. But like, let me know if you guys are hearing me well now. And that's another fund that activated, man. Beautiful. I think I got 3 fundeds with that 69 bucks activation fee on Apex. Sean, when can I take payout from Apex Fund? I have 2,700 in there now, and how much can I take? Depends on the size of the account, brother. Like, what's the size of the account? If it's a 50k, yeah, 52 600, it's probably a 50k. So if it's end of day or intraday trail, you can take up to 1,500 bucks on your first payout request. So if you have 2,700, you can take 600 bucks right now. I think you should trade until you get like 3,600, then you can take the full payout. Yeah, if you have 2,700, you can take 600 bucks right now, brother. Yeah, baby. You think about shorting? Yeah, not right now. Song is too agitated. Let me see how. Markets are open, no gap, like little gap. This gap is probably going to get closed real quick. Let's see, oil. Little gap on oil. Gold. Yeah. Yes. Let's look at the 5-minute. Can't even know. Yeah, the gap's not closed. The gap closes here. Yeah, with a tiny open like that, I think we probably keep going the direction that is that of the first candle, you know. Yeah, the first 5 minutes, which like there's no way to take trades in my opinion, almost impossible. But like remember, guys, there's an interview coming from Trump in the next hour on CBS, so it's like nationwide, you know, interview. You'll probably be asked about all sorts of like issues. Revenant, how you doing, my friend? No, yeah, you're not late, bro. Trading pennies, how you doing, my friend? Good evening. Hope your weekend was good, bro. Yeah, Rev, all is good, brother. Yeah, I'll probably take the 15-minute the orb. Yeah, I'll probably take it. Like if it's not like, let's say, three big red candles, three candles like this one to the downside, I'll probably not take it. But if it's a little bit sideways after this candle, I'll probably taking it. Let me look at the 1 hour. So this song always comes in and get me irritated because it's so offbeat. Yeah, for targets, let's see like how Fibonacci works. Yeah, brothers, we can get this 165 target real easy. It's the last push. It's so high, man. Yeah, I'm gonna use this first Fibonacci retracement as a target for the overnight movement. It's pretty simple. It's just like this last movement from here all the way up to here. We put a retracement and we have these three levels and we can see like possible targets to the downside. Trading pennies, you took a short over the weekend but covered. Yeah, I hope it's on the profit side. Jamie, how you doing, my friend? Yeah, Warlord. Yeah, well, you're thinking about 300 points gap. I don't why 300 points gap. I did not understood. Beloved, how are you doing? Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I missed the stream too, but was a good time away. Mango, how you doing, my friend? Lynette, how you doing? Good evening. Yeah, hit the like button. 80 points range, yeah. No more talks, bro. Trip is canceled. Did not understand what you said, bro. Yeah, brother. Like, don't beat yourself over that. Yeah, take it slow, bro. Iron talk, Iran talks are canceled. Oh, okay, understood. Like that's why you thought that was going to be have like a 300 points gap. Understood. Yeah. No, it makes sense. It makes sense. Yeah, there's a lot of like bits and pieces of news, but nothing's really major. Like the only thing that I think it's probably going to shake the market is like in 50 minutes there is going to be like an interview on CBS, a Trump interview on CBS. So like he'll probably like get questions about all sorts of issues, and is Trump on the mic, he's going to shake the market. Sound low, brother? Let me check. Like the voice sound is low. Like for me, it's not, bro. Let me see if I can get. Don't. Yeah, I got it now. I think maybe it's a little higher, my voice. I put some gain on the voice. You guys have to let me know if it's not good. I try to adjust it. I'm not in my usual setup. I'm not home. So I'm streaming from my Mac, So I just set up like OBS like yesterday and today. Sounds good? Okay, awesome. Yeah, that bro, this first hour, like it probably is going to be like I don't know. I don't see like a full trend happening the first hour, cause yeah, when Trump will talk in 50 minutes. Yeah, guys, thank you for everyone that's watching. Yeah, 100%. Trading on Apex today. He's going to work on the trade fire account tomorrow. Yeah, like a Sunday opens. I like in my opinion, like if something presents itself and it's good, uh, you should take it, but you should not be chasing trades. So it's not even worth to risk a lot of accounts on it. Uh, Hi Mal. How do I call you, Mal? How you doing? Let's see what ES is doing. Yes, closed the green candle on the previous view up. Oil. Oh, it's kind of pushing. Yeah, it's hard to understand right now. Yeah, Apex not letting me trade gold. Brother, I'm thinking about taking the 15-minute opening like the orb strat, but I don't know if I take like at the first breakdown or break up. I don't know if I take if I wait for a close. I don't know, brother. Zar, how you doing? Yeah, bro. If you already made some money on gold, go to sleep, brother. Yeah, maybe it's like it's late for you already. If you're in Europe, I'll be back for London too. Trading pennies. Who's a better trader, me or Pasha? Bro, if we are competing, I'm gonna bet on myself every time, you know? But I think he's a very good trader, to be honest. You guys are seeing, like, when he gets, like, a good going, he makes a lot of money. There's no better or worse. It's like, make, like, if you make money or not, you know? That's the thing, no matter how you trade. You wait till 1 a.m. to get the trade in. Yeah, nice. Nice that you got green. 50-minute orb set. Taking shorts of you up if he lets me in, and I'm going to play this shorts as orb breakdown to the downside, you know? That's what I'm gonna try to do. Yep, like he's trading with 1 to 2, 3 micros, and he's making a lot of money, man. Like I don't know. I personally cannot make like that amount of money with 1 or 2 micros. So far is rejecting Thursday after market high. Yeah. Yeah, I mean on the shorts. I'm going to play this like a orb to the downside. I mean in 1 micro. Brother, my trade of 8 glitched like crazy right now. Yeah, like what's not my intention, brother. Like it showed, like it was not my intention. Like my trade of 8 glitched. I don't even know what happened, you know. So you are trading simulation? Yeah, brother. If you don't know, all of Apex funded, Tradify, Take Profit Trader funded, everything. It's all run on simulated accounts. If you don't know that. Yeah, if you move to live, then you trade live. Yeah, but like that never happened. Like Tradeovate glitched and came and went to like the login screen. So like the middle point of the orb is right here at 382. So I think that if a candle closes above it, I'm getting out of this trade. So let's put like a 20-point stop loss right here. And that's more than enough right now, I think. The volume this green candle is very low, it's very small, so maybe we see another push down. But a 23-point stop is more than enough right now. Yeah, like Friday. Let me see what happened on Friday. Like the orb on Friday was these three candles right here. These three candles right here. And I took shorts around, I think around here, bro. 224 to 22 to play the orb breaks the downside. So when the orb broke, I was already like with 42 points. I took 100 points on the dot. Yeah, I was even higher because I took 100 points on the dot. So like if you get a good feeling of where the orb is going to break, you can get like a nice entry, and when it breaks, you are already very green on the trade. And if you're wrong, like it's a small stop loss. So I like right now I'm thinking that the probability of the orb breaking to the downside is very big, so I'm taking shorts above it, and I can't be wrong. Can't be wrong, you know? Yeah, my TP I don't know. Yeah, like the orb TP it's 303. The orb TP 303, brother, is the orb TP. But my TP I don't know. Yeah, I just know where I'm going to stop out of the trade. Why does Pasha look different today? Yeah, he went to Turkey, got a hair transplant, stopped at Fiji, got a little tan, and came back to Washington, and he's here right now. Dan, the poor trader. Hope you had a nice vacation. Yeah, bro. I like right now. I'm trying to trade only the 5-minute and up. Wait for a break and retest. Yeah, I don't want that. It's the to pay. Yeah. You know what I got also. Let me. Yeah, I want if the trade breaks, I'm going to get it. Take care. Take care, brother. Take care. Yeah. how long it takes for the transplant treatment. Yeah, like if you're like a real champion, it's like your same day you're already looking beautiful like this. Recovery time is for like it's for losers, bro. Are you long or short? I'm taking shorts, bro. Shorts. So you use the 15-minute ARB for Sunday open too. Uh, I'm using right now. Like it's not a rule or anything, but I'm using right now. Yeah, bro. Hit the like button so Pasha lets me do more Sunday open streams. Sean, what's my ethnicity? Brother, I'm Brazilian, bro, so I'm all over the place. Like, I have probably all the ethnicities in the world in me. Fica à vontade, problema não. Yeah, sometimes I use the tick strike, sometimes I don't. Swing day, I'm very good, and you, my friend? Why am I so chill? I don't know, brother. I'm chill. I don't. People usually call me a little bit agitated. Boa noite, Georgette. How you doing? I think I'm going to take one out just before the orb break, because you know you can get a sweep and reverse. Uh, but right now, staying short, staying short of you up is kind of good. You're long at yes, yeah, it's working. Yeah, like this 5-minute candle should be going down, should not go up. If it goes up, it's a higher low right here. And on the 1 minute, you should probably be seeing a trend to the upside. Like if it breaks this high, it's a higher low on the 5-minute, and it's probably, if you look at the one, you're going to see market structure to the upside. So I'm like actively managing this trade. It's not like I'm not going to let my stop loss hit if I feel like the trade is invalidated, you know? I'm going to get out as soon as I feel like the trade is invalidated. Beloved, thank you very much. You're always very kind. Brianna, Brian, Brian Almeida. Yeah, I'm from Brazil. Trading from Brazil. Yeah, 100%. Do I have different strategies for regular trade hours versus like after 6 p.m.? No, I take the same trades. The only difference is that on New York session, the trades work more quickly, you know? If you're right, it's going to go in your favor very quickly, and if you're wrong, you're going to get stopped out very quickly too. Like, see, right now it's just like I'm almost like 15 minutes into this trade and it's doing nothing. It went 10 points, not even 10 points in my favor. I'm probably exiting this trade. Yeah, on the 1 minute, if you look, it's kind of a double bottom and a higher low, breaking highs. So I probably don't want to be in. Now I have to wait to confirmation, you know? It's deciding around that Friday pre-market high. Yeah. Yeah, it was a high that got like broken, tested. It's an important level, 366. Georgette, I was short, but I'm not right now. I'm out of it every trade. Leader. Hello, my friend. How you doing? Is there a reason why you guys trade MNQ and not MES? I'm paper trading and I picked up MES. Yeah, NASDAQ moves more, you know? NASDAQ moves more. There's more ticks. It's easier to get in and out. It's more crazy. Yes, it's probably more accurate when you talk about like price action. Probably yes, MES respects price action more than NQ, you know? Let me see. Financial juice. Yeah, it's bro, it's the same music 3 times in a row. What's going on? Yeah, I don't see a trade to be made right now. It's probably, yeah, I think we have to wait for the next hour candle. Ooh, Pasha, want to come in on the stream? Pasha's on the chat, brother. Let's get some green, 100%, brother. Let's get some green. It's bugging out like crazy right now. Let's get some green, brother, 100%. Yeah, I'm going to wait like for probably wait for the next 1 hour candle. Yeah, you're short 268. Yeah, I was short around the view up 370, but started breaking up or it's kind of sideways, so I'm going to wait. But I was short too, bro. 268. Let me see. Yeah, I'm probably I probably want the shorts too around 382. I'm going to try to short again around the 50%. Good luck, good luck, good luck, Pasha. Have a nice rest of Sunday, brother. Tomorrow will be on fire, bro. See you, brother. Easily could go for the gap fill, yeah. Yep. Trump will speak in 20 minutes, so like it's an interview on CBS. Like again, he'll probably talk about all sorts of things. He'll get questions about all the types of issues. So he's going to deliver. Yeah. Let's see what ES is doing. Same thing. Oil. Yeah, the market is waiting for the next hour candle, bro. 100% the market's waiting. Nice push up. You have problems logging in? Yeah, like was not that crazy, man. Just like it dropped a lot. It dropped a lot. Like probably like market needed to execute those orders, and now it's just like pulling back little by little. The volume is very low. The only real volume was on the first candle, you know. The orb didn't break to either side. Yeah, Tradeovate did a little glitch on me. I'm going to take a short against this movement right here. Try to fill 2 at view up and see if it breaks to the downside. And I'm going to get like a 11 point stop, 12 point stop. I don't even know why I took the short, but I'm guess I feel like this candle can be a little bit of exhaustion on this whole push up. I can be wrong very easily, but it's only a 12 point stop, so it's okay. And if it goes to the ARB to the downside, I'm in a very good position. I'm thinking that maybe close to the 1 hour candle, we see another push down. That's what I'm feeling. Yeah, sometimes you have to get a feel for it. Kyo, how you doing, my friend? Yeah, he's going to get an interview with CBS, so that will probably move the market. Problem is that I don't know if I can see that anywhere, you know? Bro, my team is playing. Let's see. Brother, things are glitching on me. Things are glitching on me. I know. Yeah, it's not a good thing if this candle breaks highs. I'll probably get stopped out. Yeah, things are glitching on me hard, brother. I don't know if we've closed the gap, bro. I hope it doesn't. But maybe we close. Like the gap is so small, it's probably going to sweep up, to be honest. Yeah, Trump speaks in 8 minutes. Yeah, I think it's a good short because like this is a push down. This is maybe just a pullback of this push down, and we can see a second leg to the downside. So that's what I'm betting on. And if it breaks like the third retracement of this push down, then I'm the one to be in as well. So I'm going to get a stop out 12 points. And it's like a risk because with market not moving, one big order can push market either side. So, you know. And on the smaller time frame, like 1 minute, like it's full market structure to the upside. So I'm really trading against market structure of the like lower time frames, you know. But like overall, uh, like on New York session, a trade like this would have easily gone my way, you know. Stop out. Yeah, now I'm going to wait to see if there's volatility on the Trump interview. It's so hard to trade, to be honest. Like this type of market, so hard to trade, brother. Yeah, yeah, we'll probably get a nice trade in. I will use the restroom real quick. Be right back, guys. We're back, boys. Boys and girls. Two minutes. How many trades do I average a day? Bro, like, I don't even know. I don't count them, but on New York session, let's say anywhere from 5 to 20 probably. I think there's not one single day that I do less than 5, and can't get to 20. It depends what's going on, you know. Depends what you count as a trade. Also, like, let's say market it's moving up and I'm buying here and selling and buying again and selling and buying again. It's like it's the same movement. I'm just getting in and out, in and out, in and out, you know. Yeah, this push up it's not good. I guess Trump will start speaking. It's maybe. Do you guys know if it's like a pre-recorded interview or if it's live? I don't have access to CBS or TBS or whatever. Thank you, contractor. Obrigado. Yeah. Not much going on. DM Stoll, how you doing, my friend? How you doing? Good evening, man. Good evening. Chart 388. Yeah, it looks like it closed below previous candle. Do I trust this? I don't. Man, it's hard. It's hard to trade this, man. Oh my god. I'm going to mark out like this trend line right here. Does it break down? Yeah, like I'm better on the shorts too, contractor. I'm not a good guy that like I'm not a good like to buy in the shorts. I believe every time, but the longs I have a hard time every time. Any markets, any indexes, any everything. But that's very common on traders like to be more comfortable in shorts than on longs because on average, when the market is dropping, it drops very quick, you know. So in your memory, you have like the you remember that every short that when you're in your favor was usually easy and very quick, and the longs are more hard, you know. Price goes up uh slowly. Do commissions factor into the broker you use? Yeah, there's commission, but I only see the I only look at the price of the profits or loss already with the commissions in. I don't even know how much. Like let's say if I end up a day with I don't know like 300 bucks, let's say. I don't know how much I paid in commissions. I only look at the final number. It's like the stairs versus escalator, yeah. Markets go up in stairs and goes down in elevator. Sometimes it just jumps out of the window. Yeah. Ooh, we are almost at the like goal. Almost 100 likes, guys. Thank you. Yeah, it looks like a bear flag. It looks like a bear flag, walks like a bear flag, and talks like a bear flag. But is it really a bear flag, you know? Yeah, it's going down. Is Trump talking? This candle broke this trend line, this flag. But I'm not trusting it. I'm not trusting. Yeah, there is no real move right now, in my opinion. Oil is aiming to the downside, guys. Total dork, hit the like button. Thank you, my friend. Good evening. How are you doing? Nice jump from order block. Check order block. Nice. Oh, I will get the. I'll get something. One second. Now I have my uniform, boys. I have the uniform right now. I'm a trade titan, bro. I went to the United States just to get this. Just to get this. You know? Now I have my uniform. What to get? I was born to wear this cap, bro. Gotta be honest. Well, now I'm on. Now I'm on. Now it's game time, bro. Every time I put the cap, it's game time. If you guys want the cap, I think there's a link in the description, bro. I don't know if there's a link, bro, but I don't even know if there's a link, but it's pashairl.com and you can get a cap. But now I went, bro. I was in Orlando and I got this. Pasha got this delivered to like a place where I could get, and I went there to get it. And I wore this hat. I wore the hat like the whole trip. Yeah, all it has to say is one little thing. Best tacos in Florida. Yeah. Bro, I ate some very nice tacos in Florida, bro. Ooh. How you doing, my friend? Welcome back. 100%. I'm happy to be back. I'm gonna send Pasha the photo. Brother, where do we get them? Yeah. No, my mic is not low, bro. I was just not talking, you know? Bro, let me check. I don't even know where to, like, how you guys can get the cap. I think it's Pasha, yeah, it's Pasha, IRL.com, and you guys can get the cap. I'm going to send a link on the description. Bro, it's the uniform, you know? It's the power. The power is in the cap. I sent the link on the chat. Mine is the black with the white Titan. The golden Titan looks awesome too, bro. Do I go long on this? Am I missing the long right now? Yeah, brother. Get one. 100%. Let me send it. Just added to my one in-man queue. Yeah, bro. I missed the long, bro. Oh my god. Why? Is Trump talking? Is this an eval? No, is this funded, bro? I'm trading funded right now. Order block worked. Yeah. I don't even know if the order block worked. But there's a order block right here. You know? Bro, I missed this long, bro. Why? Why did I miss the long? Oh, we got the LICO, bro. Now you know what's going to happen? If we get the goal, we double the goal. Voila. Did you guys saw that? Did you guys saw that? We have a new goal, bro. You guys gotta keep pushing. Brother, like this setup right here, that farm with this is a long for me. Like this setup farming, this candle pattern forming on the right on the view up is usually a long for me. I usually take this type of long, but I was like sending photos, taking pictures. I was doing all types of things, and I did not work. And it's kind of rejecting this order block right here. Let's see how the 60 minutes is going. Big wick on the lower side of this 60 minutes. Brother, we're going up, man. I really think we're going up. But bro, it's too slow for an Asian Open, Sunday Open. No, it is too slow. It's too slow, man. Yeah, but if anyone was asking about the cap, is the website Pasha IRL, like the name of the channel.com. You guys can get that. And you can be part of the team, bro. You can join the Discord, it's free. You can subscribe, it's free. You can hit the like button, it's free. Almost everything is free, bro. Yes. How do I add to my winners? Brother, gotta be honest with you. I add, if I'm going to add to the trade that I'm taking, it's usually very close of like to my entry. I rarely, let's say the trade is, let's say 50 points, 60 points in my favor, and I add to that trade. I very rarely do that. Like 60 points, 50 points, I'm probably taking the profit. But like to add to trades, it's what I do is at pullbacks, you know. One example, let's say that after this 5-minute candle, you got in. Where are you going to add? You're going to add on breakouts, like after highs like this? No, I wait for pullbacks. I see rejection. Let's say this 5-minute candle, big wicks to the downside, right on view up. It's a good candle to add because it's a pullback. You're entering at a lower price. The price showed rejection. It's on a major level, that is the view up. And if you're wrong, your stop loss is very close to where you're adding. So I add at pullbacks. That's what I'm going to say. If you're on a long, wait for a pullback to some EMA, some support level, and you add there. Don't ever add on breakouts. Don't ever add like when prices too extended. Wait for pullbacks. Like that's how I view markets, and people can make money doing the opposite of what I'm saying 100%. Bro, like the last 2 or 3 Sunday opens that we did, market moved so much, and right now it's really not doing nothing, man. And I'm down 90 bucks right now, and I cannot recover it with this type of movement. Because even if I take, like, let's say I took this trade right here, it went 10 points, 12 points in my favor, and it stopped. And let's say I took the short on this order block right here. Let's say I took the short on this order block right here. It went like 7 points, 6 points, 9 points in my favor. How do I make money out of that amount of points, you know? Yeah, yeah, like we are very, like we went up like crazy. A nice 2 or 3 days sideways market or pullback, it's very possible. But like it's the NASDAQ and it's the American market, so it can push up forever, like for 100 days push-ups to, you know. So 90 bucks total, yeah. I'm trading one funded right now, guys. I'm not trading all of them. I'm trading only one because, like, look at the markets. Like, I'm not risking trading all of them. I'm going to take a short right here. I'm risking probably 120 bucks on the short. I want to see the VWAP breaking to the downside, bro. That's what I want to see. 81s, 95, 95. If I stop out right now at the high of this candle, I'm break even at this trade. Like push down, man. It's like it's a lower, like the trade is basically the first push of the movement is to the downside, right at the gate on the open. This is maybe a pullback, maybe a bear flag that got like rejection to the downside. This can be a lower high. Like this, this is the same formation. This is the same formation. Then here, you know, it's the same formation. One is to the upside and one's to the downside. I'm going to stop out at the high of this candle right here, because like if it goes here, it's like it's invalidated the short, you know, it's invalidating the short. It should not go up here. And if it goes to my stop loss right now, I'm at break even on the trade because I took some profits with like 8 points or something. Yeah, I'm still here, guys. Yeah, man. Like I'm playing like this is a lower high, you know, and maybe we go to the 15-minute ARB to the downside. I'm not risking like a lot of like the rejection, instant rejection on this 5-minute. Like it tells me that I'm going to probably get stop out. Let's see how this 15 minutes trying to close. Yeah, this is like, yeah, bro. I'll probably get stopped at break even at this trade. Four-hour close. Okay. Yeah, the YM is definitely looking bearish, bro. The YM is 100% looking bearish. Oil is doing pretty much nothing. You want my stop here? Yeah. This can be a lower high. Rejection of this order block right here. A lower high of this push down. Price action wise, being on the short side, it's okay. Good. Yeah, I want this candle to go, you know? I don't want it to go back, man. I really don't. I'm green on the day again. Like one of my mistakes trading Asia session is to hold trades trying to go for like 100 points, bro. 50 points, 60 points. If I just scalp, I'd probably like be better off, you know? I got out of one micro here. Let's play for the 15-minute break to the downside, bro. Yeah, if it's breaking down right now, like view up is lower high, I have to give room for this trade to breathe, but I gotta take some profits. Now I'm short with two micros. Man, I'm going to put a stop where it invalidates, like for real. I don't even want to put a break even. If I'm going to put a stop at break even, I will probably just close the trade. Uh, Any news? Um, Guys, whenever I'm in a trade, you guys go crazy, bro. Like look at me. Like I'm chill. I'm very chill at this trade. Like be chill with me. If it stops me out, I don't care, bro. Look at the size of the stop. Like if I get 10 stops in a row, I don't care, bro. Makes zero difference to me because I'm not gonna lose the account even if I get 10 stops in a row. But I appreciate you guys trying to say like, look at oil, look at this. I'm looking, but like, it's okay. Yeah, oil is sideways. Like oil is doing nothing. Like really nothing. Like what? Like right now, this rejection on this 5 minute, I don't like that. So I'll probably close this trade as soon as this candle closes. I really don't like this rejection. Like should not be doing this, you know? If it's going to break the view up, this candle should be closing red, you know? Looking at ES, let me see. Like ES is bearish, YM is bearish, but like any Q is not below this low. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a stop at like a little bit above, below like the break even on these last two contracts. I'm not gonna wait it out. But this is for real a rejection of view up. There's buyers here. Like what this candle tells me is that there's buyers here. So this 5 minute candle, it's going to probably close green. You know, that's what this candle tells me. but I'm not. If I take profits right here, I'm back green on the trade on the day, you know? Like I'm 50 bucks, 15 bucks up, 20 bucks up. But like I would be better off trading this 15 bucks up to see if the price is still going to fulfill the movement to the downside. But I don't want to risk much as well. Like I don't want to see like price going against me on my entry. Makes no sense for me to accept that right now. So it's kind of a little bit of a gamble. I'm trading this 40 bucks right now for the opportunity to see price go my way to fulfill the full target, you know? That's what I'm doing right now. And I don't even like whatever oil does or ES does will not change what I set up for my trade right now. Whatever happens is going to happen. I look at other things to enter a trade very much, you know. But after I'm on a trade and after I'm setting up the risk parameters, what I'm willing to accept or not, whatever happens on oil or ES or gold, like the outcome of that, I'm going to have to accept, you know. What I can manage is how much I'm willing to risk and how much I want to take profit, you know. That's what I can manage. That's what's under my control, you know. Like right now, I don't want to see price go above my entry anymore. I don't want to see that. I will not accept that. So that's why I can move to stop at break even. Second thing, I'm 43 bucks up on this trade right now. If I close this trade, I will be 20 bucks up on the day. So I recover those almost 100 bucks down. But is that worth right now? I don't think so. Right now, I don't think so. You know, maybe if this 5-minute candle keeps stalling, I will close out the trade, because this 5-minute candle had a chance to go down. It's not wanting to do that, you know. Yeah, and on the 352 here, there were buyers, so that's a possibility of buyers showing up again a little bit higher than 352. Take one micro. I started this trade with 6 micros. I'm down to 2, so I already took 4, you know, and I'm willing to hold the last 2. But like in a moment, I can take 1 micro if this 5-minute candle keeps stalling. I don't want to see this 5-minute candle stalling, you know. I want to see it going my way, you know. Like what I'm trying to see if that, are we accepting that we are trading below VWAP or no? That's what I'm trying to see right here. The 15-minute candle. Yeah, the 15-minute candle looks interesting. Like if I was going to be trading the 15-minute candle, I would be with my stop loss above 400, but I'm not interested in that right now. We're kind of accepting to trade below VWAP right now, so I'm willing to keep risking this 60 bucks. Like, And if this 5-minute candle breaks up, that's okay too. I'll probably at some point trail my stop to 83, because if it forms a 5-minute candle that breaks 83, I don't want to be on the trade anymore. Let's see if it keeps falling. Bro, I drove like for more than like, I don't know how many hours under heavy rain, bro. That's so stressing to come here. Driving under heavy rain, bro, it's the worst thing ever. Let's see if it squeezes to this low right here. I'm going to get one out because I'm not feeling. And now I just wait. Like, my opinion, for the record, I should get out of this trade right now. That's my opinion. But I'm going to try to keep to see if it's going to break the ARB to the downside, because it's still the ARB trade at play, you know. And I could be like, whoa, bro, you got 20 points. Let's go, 20 points. Bro, whatever. I'm not going to pretend that 20 points is good, man. Let's see how this next 5-minute goes. Like, if it instantly starts going down, I'm going to be on the trade. Okay. 110 bucks on this trade. take upside, bro. I will not. If I was going long, I should have gone long, like right at the open of this candle, 76. But see, like, it's so small. This whole movement here was like 25 points, man. Like from top to bottom, 25 points. Yeah, it's not good, man. You guys are a little shy on the chat. You're long, bro, Samuel. 375. You take 2 mini. You're going long there, or what? You're short? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. I asked. Long. Okay. Nice. Yeah, but yeah, I'm reading the market very good. Yeah, I know. I knew I should have get out of this trade. Everything at 368. So I gave back like 15 points on one contract, but that's all good too. I recovered the loss. Let me see one thing. I don't think you guys can see the. Yeah, it's pushing up nicely. Lower low, lower high. Why not assume down? Yeah, that's what I was. That's exactly the trade I took. Like I assumed this was a lower high, and I was aiming for a lower low. That was the trade that I took, basically. This can be a lower high again, you know. I guess Trump's interview did nothing, or it didn't even happen. What's going on? Someone has information about that? Bro, there's no news on financial just like for more than 3 hours. That's not possible. Something's wrong. Yeah, no news in financial just for more than 3 hours. What's going on? Oh my god, I missed the short, bro. Oh no. Nice, Samuel. We got a nice trade. Brother, like I was I was seeing financial juice I missed. I should have taken a short right here. Does anyone know if the interview is still going or like if it stopped, if it ended? Yeah, market's really doing nothing, guys. Really doing nothing. There are signals for me to go long and to go short, like at the same time. Up 44 so far. Been tough tonight, yeah. But it's not like it's not good right now. It's not good. It's 100% not good. Skull crunch short, brother. I don't see how we can short right now. Like the structure to the is to the downside, but I don't see how can we short tonight right now. I'm in a chart higher in the range, max pain or squeeze me type of play. Yeah. I'm probably trying to go long right here. It's too many rejections out of this level, bro. 15 point stop. Let's see if it plays up. Three times the buyers stepped in at this 368 level, bro. Yeah, the next 1 hour is almost closing too. Maybe that's the smartest play, is to wait. You can't just sweep out, you know? $394 target. Tricky market and slow 100%. Like I always say it like that, it's not worth my money, this market right now. Like it's not worth my money. Like this is not a price action that it's worth trading, to be honest. But we are here. We are trading. We are with you guys. Ooh, we are almost at the next like goal, bro. Like hit the like button for, bro. Look at the price section that I'm trading right now. Like you have to throw a bone, you know. The like button is the only thing you can do for me right now to put me out of my misery. Try betting on this low grind down. Yeah, yeah, maybe it would, yeah, maybe it's we'll try to curl down like more, you know. Thank you, trading pennies. We still below 400. Yeah, like this can be still a lower high, you know. And we'll keep curling down and getting traction to the downside. But if that happens, it's better for me because I will see that happening and I will jump in the shorts. But as of right now, it's doing literally nothing. Like there's buyers here, the wicks. Look at the wicks. There's a lot of buyers here, and look at this wick and these three rejections right here. These two rejections. There's sellers here, so we are stuck between 370 and 390. There's buyers at 370 and sellers at 390. So for now, the market found a fair price, but I'm kind of gambling to the upside because of the buyers, you know. There's the gap to be filled. There's that there, yeah, no. Yeah, this the 1 hour is almost closing. There's buyers at the close of the 1 hour right now. Let's see how this 5 minute candle close. Like the opening price is at 404. Maybe we see a retest of that, you know. Guys, I have a question like for you guys that are on the stream. Is this layout right here too much, or is it good, or is it's okay, or it doesn't matter? Like, if you guys can answer that on the chat. Like, I put my camera here. There's a like button and viewer up. There's like the banners down. It's too much. It's confusing. It's okay. It makes, or you guys don't even care, you know? Like, if some of you can give me a feedback. CLA 706. It's good, bro. Looks great. Thank you, bro, for the feedback. Trading pennies works for me. Thank you, brother, for the feedback. You guys can see the candles and the price. Yeah. I'm gonna take out because this is I took one out just in case this is a like a fake out. Does it break or does it not break this? Gianluca, how you doing, my friend? Nate, thank you for the feedback, Nate. We can see the candles and the price, so good to go. Okay, thank you, brother. It's clear, Mal Haj, it's clear and good. Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's hard, man, to fill everything on the OBS without making it look like, you know, it's strange. Yeah, I'm probably exiting at around here, bro. Yeah, I got fuel at 402. Was a nice trade given the type of movements that we are getting, and if this candle is the like if it starts a full trend up, then I try to get in at some point. I'm now 80 bucks up, man. 80 bucks. Let's see if financial just throw me a bone. Total dork, leave it as it is. Okay, good. Maybe I change on my PC as well. I'm liking it right now. Because like I don't know, like on Mac, I was trading at on Ninja Trader. I was trading on Ninja Trader, and like to install Ninja Trader on a MacBook, bro, you have to like juggle some balls, like throw some like backflips. You have to do some kick flips on a skate and everything, and you know, just to install Ninja Trader on a MacBook, and I'm not doing that. Like, should be easy, bro. They want to see your retirement plans and everything. Just install Ninja Trader on MacBook, bro. It's 2026, man. And I'm back on Tradeovate because of that. GG, bro. Nice trade, thank you, brother. Samuel, you got a nice trade as well, bro. Demolidor, it filled my short. I think it can go down now. Yeah, bro. Like now that I'm out, it can go down all the way, bro. 100%. $80 in the green. Yeah. GG. And that's it. Absolute cinema. You guys know the absolute cinema? Absolute cinema. I had a limit 406 since the open, just working and listening to you in the background. Just hear the order feel beautiful, the Demolidor. Beautiful. Thank you for being here, brother. Bro, so that Trump interview gave nothing? What's going on, bro? Now I wish I was like I were trading all the funders, man. Yeah, this is the biggest volume we saw in a while. Like it's rejecting at the opening price. Like, do I jump on a long here? I'm like, oh man, I'm not liking it, brother. I'm not liking it. I know when to jump on a long here, boys and girls. I know there are some girls. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. Boom, 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 boom. Gianluca? Gianluca, that's a fine name, bro. Gianluca, bro. You're Italian or something? Gianluca Zizari, bro. That's not a more Italian name than that, bro. Don't tell me you're like Taiwanese or something. Makes zero sense. Gianluca, I made an AI bot system on VS Code, then made a VS Code with, bro, like a calm down. Bro, I don't understand a single word that your name is fine, but what you just wrote right there, bro, I forfeit trying to understand that, bro. Total dork, love being here 100%. From Salento. Salento isn't the city from the guy on The Sopranos, bro? I think it's from it's on the like on the south of Italy, isn't it? I think Salento is close to where like the city of the Soprano do this. Lecce, I know the team. Big rejection out of the opening price, 404, boys. Love being here. Like, it's nice to have you here too, brother. Some of you watch the stream every single day, and you guys are not subscribed, bro. Like, subscribe to the stream, boys. That helps a lot too. And there's a lot of you that comes in like every day, watch every single stream, interact with us, and are not subscribed, bro. Nate, 5-minute candle opens are great entries. Yeah, I like Nate that too. I feel like 5-minute candles, like it's enough price action for it to make a decision. Sometimes the 1 minute or the 2 minutes, it's not enough, you know. And I feel like the 15 is too much, you know. You're already missing something. But it was a nice rejection of the 404. 2 hours in, I think Asia opens, like not Asia, China opens after 2 hours, isn't that? Or Japan opens at this time. Brother, I'm tired. Do I take a short here? Yeah, we are trading above VWAP, bro. I'm not taking shorts above VWAP right now. I'm not doing that. We are trading above VWAP. This is like for real a higher low right now. This is actually a higher low right now. So I'm not taking trades. If I'm being 100% honest, I have to wait for a break to the downside and a retest. Then I take a short. That's what I have to wait for. Samuel, we for the day. Salt, you like the 15 seconds on a slow market? Yeah, you're kind of mango style. Yeah, I understand how like on the 15 seconds you see like the aggressions, you know. Bro, my team just won 1-0, bro. 1-0. Any of you guys watch soccer? Slowly pushing up to fill the gap. Yeah, I'm feeling like that's going to happen too. Nate, you went to a game in Naples once many years ago. You got pretty crazy. Yeah, bro. Like Naples, Italy. If you went to Naples, where like is in Italy? If you went to a Napoli game, yeah, those guys are crazy, bro. Mel, não tem, filha. Você vai ficar chorando na orelha de sua mãe? Não tem. Ah, da bag. Nem trouxe. Amanhã o papai compra. Vem aqui. But my dog's crying. She wants like snacks. Total Dirk, no problem. Nate, yes, Italy, nice. Yeah, bro. In Italy, they are passionate like Brazilians. Like they're crazy, bro. To be honest, Napoli is probably one of the craziest cities to go to watch a game. Manchester United fan, yeah, bro, you suffering, eh? United's not looking good, bro. The problem with United and Arsenal is that they are owned by Americans right now, and Americans like profit. You know, they are not like passionate about soccer, so they don't spend what they can spend. They don't do the right decisions. I think United is owned by the Tampa Bay Buccaneers guy, and Arsenal is owned by like I don't even know like some other teams guy. And they like you can see on the financials of the club that they take out like hundreds of millions of euros every year from the club. So they are like taking profit from the club. On a club that it's owned by someone that is passionate, they are going to spend every single penny to make their team better. Like the club that I support in Brazil, like the balance of the club, the financials every year it's almost like to the dot zero. Like it's the surplus, the net profit of the club is like, let's say, $15,000, because they expand every single money that they can to make the team better. So it's not profit driven. It's like every single penny of profit goes back to make the team better, to buy another player, to increase their salaries, to like invest on the club facilities and everything, on the stadium, on better planes, better trips, you know. Just retested Friday's close. Yeah, I went for a walk today. Yeah, man, imagine like if you buy Manchester United, you have a cash cow basically, because you basically have, I don't know how many million customers that are going to spend money on your company every year. So for you to take like $100 million clean cash every year from Manchester United is easy, bro. The team doesn't even miss it, you know. But then you're treating it as a business, not as a club, not as a fan, not as a, you know, not as a supporter. And that's why Manchester United's going to through the problems there. Like the last 10 years, they won basically, I think, one good title in 10 years. More than 10 years now was 2016 with Ibrahimovic and Jose Mourinho. Yeah, love the team, not the business, 100%. I am Yan FX. What's up, my friend? How you doing? Yeah, I think we're going for the gap fill. 10 bucks away from the eval. Nice. Take your time, Chris. Take your time, bro. 10 bucks away from funded. Yeah, bro. Like, don't take like any trades. Like, wait for a good trade. You took a long because of me at 388. I hope you come out green of that trade. Yeah, we got some nice trades. Like we got a nice 20-point short and a nice 20-point long. Yeah, man. Slow days, but it's a slow day, to be honest. Yeah, take your time. Like I have blown funded like 10 bucks away from passing. Just because you are like, it's only 10 bucks, I'm going to take any trade, and then you lose and you don't accept that you lost because were so close of passing, and you know, it's it's not good. It's not good. So when I'm close to passing and to fund it, I take like, I wait for the best trade possible. Yeah, this is going to be the orb to the upside, man. Oh, brother, it's heavy rain right now. Bro, if the stream closes, it's because the light went out. It's heavy rain right now. Samuel, you've blown 25 accounts in your life, bro. Rookie numbers, bro. Rookie numbers. Really, really rookie numbers, bro. I'm joking, by the way. Yeah, you're a champion, bro. 85% win rate. Nice. Beautiful. You logged into the gap like this one time, almost filled and reversed hard. I had no stop because the certainty will close, lose account. Yeah, like if you're going to go long right here just because you want to see the gap close and you want to take that trade, you have to stop out at some point because you shouldn't go like with no stops. Like you should take trades that are very close to where it invalidates, so your stop is very small, you know. So to take a trade, to go on a long right here, I don't see it like it invalidating until it breaks like at least 393. So it's already not a good risk to reward trade, you know. How higher do I see NQ going? Brother, let me tell you something. It's not look like it's not look like it's going down. Like I'm gonna teach you how to look for targets right now. This is how you look for targets. There's a way to using Fibonacci that probably 10% of you know, and if all of you know, then I'm very wrong. That's a way of using Fibonacci that is called mirroring. Mirror in, like mirror, you know, mirroring. Like when you take, let's say, this whole push down right here, you count this as a movement, you know, from this high to this low. What do you usually use Fibonacci for? You use it like, guys, paper and like, I don't know how you guys call the other thing, on hands. Paper and pen and paper on hands. You use Fibonacci for the retracements. Some of you use for the extensions. But let me tell you something. You can use this exact same tool to look for targets. These three lines right here, they are, you know, the same in every Fibonacci tool that you find. If you take this line right here, the 38, or this, like they are like the same, 38 and 61.8, it's the same distance from here to here and here to here. So if you take this line and you put at the head of the movement, that it's the start here, like this, you know, put the 38 line at the head of the movement. This line right here is the first projection, is a 61.8 projection, you know. So if it breaks this high, the first target that you have, it's right here, 469. If that fails, you take the next line and you put on the head and you go for the next one. The 50% projection is basically 100% movement to the upside. It's basically if you take this and you put another one right on it. It's basically doing this. But you don't need to do that. You just need to take the 50% line and match to the head of the movement. So what you're doing, you are mirroring up, mirroring up, you know? So that's the next target. So if it breaks this high, a very possible target is the 100% mirror to the upside. So 498 is a very possible target. And this works very well because 498 is a price that NQ never went to. So you have no like parameters otherwise, you know? And if the second target fails, guess what? You take the next line and you put it here and you go for the next one, you know? So this is a way of finding targets. And you can also add levels to your Fibonacci because like there's the 23.6 level, there's the 74.4 level, and you can use, there's many Fibonacci levels. It's based on the Fibonacci numbers. You can go forever. One thing that like 50, the number 50 is not a Fibonacci number, but it works a lot. So it's in every Fibonacci too. So that's how I find projections and targets. Doesn't mean that the price is going to go there. It's a possible target. Possible. The word possible is very important. So you can also do the pivot. You take from this to this and you use it retraced. See, it retraced inside Fibonacci numbers and it's going to go up again. So this is market structure to the upside. So you can use the lines here and here. So the next projection is basically where the gap closes. So it's a confluence. And if it breaks and keeps going up, you go to the next one. And if it breaks and keeps going up, you go to the next one. So this is how I find targets, possible targets, you know. Arb low, yeah, it's almost breaking on Arb. Yeah, Nate, like the Fibonacci, let's say that this push down and price after that, like let's say it broke to the downside. How do I find targets? Same thing. I would take like this Fibonacci tool and I will do like this. And I will find the first extension will be 295. You know, the second extension would be 264, you know. Tima, how am I going? Going good, man. We took some losses, we took some profits. But overall we took a short at around 390 and we covered for like 20 points, and we took a long at 383, I think, and we cover at the open. So I'm $80 up on the day. Wheezy, yeah, there's no targets because price never went there. So using Fibonacci, you can find targets to a place that price never went. Gary, God bless, man. That's a neat trick. Yeah, that's a neat trick, bro. 0-day J is a 100% fib style reversal trader. He did pretty well with it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, like every tool, bro. Every tool. Bollinger Bands. VWAP bands. RSI. MACD. All of those tools work, bro. It's just a matter of you being able to make them work, you know? How are you going to use that tool to make money? You know, that's the main thing. And I find that some tools I cannot make sense of it, so I will not make money out of them. And some tools like Fibonacci, I make sense. I can make sense out of Fibonacci, and I can make money out of it, you know? Chris passed an eval full ported. Beautiful, brother. I'm kind of like I'm a full porter style of eval sometimes too. Especially with this like 50k intraday activation promo that Apex is having and the 90% off. Some evals I just full port, man. I just try to take the eval and pass it as quick as possible. Revenant got out of the long. I don't like staying trace for too long during Ninja session. Yeah, beautiful. If you got out of a long, you're probably green, bro. Congrats. Bought an account 10 minutes ago, now funded. Awesome. I hope you got the account with the code Pasha, bro. Support your boys. Fima, how you doing, my friend? I'm very good, man. And you, how you doing? Took any trades? One day pass, pretty nice. Congrats, man. Overall, congrats, Chris. Didn't took any trades, Fima? Guys, let me be serious with you guys. We have, oh my god, we have a like goal right now. It's 150 likes. You guys already did like a beautiful work for me getting this far, but I need you guys to step up and push it to 150, guys. I know you guys can do that. We have to get that win. We have to go to playoffs. How are you going to go back to your home and stare your wife at the face or mom at the face and say you didn't push it to 150, guys? You know? See, price is already going down because of that. You know? I'm going crazy right now. That's it, guys. That's it. Yeah, bro. Like Lucid is playing hard to get. I think Pasha tried to be partner with them a few times and like they don't answer and everything. Something like that. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know much. Like to be honest, but I know that he tried like several times. Yeah, like a retest of the open will be a nice place to enter. To be honest, because like there were sellers at the opening price. It got broken to the upside, and now a second retest would be nice at this level. It's like a resistance that becomes a support level. Thanks, guys. Thanks for like everyone that is hitting the like button. I appreciate that very much. Okay, I don't want to pressure you to do nothing, but I was just joking before. It's just because it helps a lot the stream. Do I go long right here? Yes. Yeah, oil is kind of pushing up, breaking up this 5 minute candle right here. Not liking that. YM is very, very bearish, bro. The yes is not bullish at all, too. It's only NQ again that's trying to go up, man. I don't like that. Like, look at the YM right now. Like, this is not bullish at all, boys. Yes, it's sideways. What's gold doing? Gold's going down. Oil is looking bullish, man. Isn't it? What do you guys think? Oil is looking bullish? You see a bull flag? Yeah. The 405 is already a good long. Guys, I got to get some water. 1 second. I'm going to get water. Man. Yeah, it's going for that close. Oh, guys. I'm happy that we took some nice trades, but like overall, I don't know. Yeah, the 25K Revenant. How many contracts do you trade on the 25K? Like max contracts, like how many? Because I feel like two or three is already like too much. Yeah, absolute max stream Michaels, and even that's too much. 100%, man. Yeah, if you take really good trade with three micros, you get like a little bit of profits in, and you can trade small, like for the 1 or 2 micros. It's quicker to get to payouts though if you play your cards right. If you like take your steps right, you get quickly. And if you want to build a buffer, it's just a matter of a patience, I think. Because there's no way you're going to make like $500 every day on a 125K account. Like a 1K in a day. You're not doing that without blowing a lot. a lot of accounts. South and Sand are, am I the missing one like? Yeah, bro. Wish I was. Like it's missing one like for 10 minutes almost. Kyo, what am I thinking? Brother, like I was saying that the 404 level was going to be a good long, but it didn't get there. Like far, like almost got there. And it was a good long. Thank you for the good soul that hit the like button, bro. Why I got off the long? I was aiming for the 404 level and it got there and I got out because of that. You know? I was aiming for that and now I was trying to see if I was able to get in and jump in a trade again, but I was not. Someone said that a 404 retest was a beautiful like long and I agreed and I think FEMA said that 400 was a good retest. Yeah. Now the gap is, I don't even know if the gap's closed or not, but I think it is. Yeah. And it's getting traction, you know. But like it's a very uneventful Asia session up until now. Thank you for the people that are subscribing. The max loss is too small to risk that. It's better, yeah, bro. Yeah, it's better to take your time everything every time. Yeah, those levels are the next two targets if it keeps going up. Yeah, this is now it's playing the orb to the upside. So let's see. The stop loss on the orb is 382. It's 40 points, exactly 40 points. 459, 460 is the take profit on the orb to the upside. I'm not on that trade. You're going to take your time, build a buffer on 5 accounts, and if you make $100 from the account each week, that's $4,000 payouts for a profit split. I can do that 100%. You can, man. Like that's a very realistic goal, and I'm very for that. You know, I don't like those. Like I'm gonna make like $100,000 goal. I don't like that very much. Like put on a realistic goal, achieve that, and grow from that. You know. Dayton, how we just keep climbing. I'm looking for any short entry and it just doesn't exist. Yeah, brother. Like you should be in fact you should be looking for longs if the shorts don't exist. But yeah, It makes no sense. I don't see how it keep going up like this, man. I really don't. Waiting for 60 to quick short 460 for the sweep, against the sweep. 440 inverted fair value gap. Yeah, guys, I don't see how this is. How can I trade this, man? It's training, man. Yeah, I don't like this type of trade, bro. I like if it breaks 464, squeezes and gives a wick on that candle, then I take shorts. But to just short a 46 out of the blue right there, like I don't like that, to be honest. Yeah, if it squeezes, it's probably going to squeeze a lot of points up, man. Yeah, you got back $1,200 from Friday loss. See you tomorrow, brother. Yeah, see you tomorrow. 80 for Tokyo. Yeah, Tokyo is the next 1 hour candle. Yeah, if I'm going to see if there's any volume coming in. I'm going to see if there's any volume coming in. I'm going to take the short just to see. Just to see. Five point 75 stop. $20 stop. Stay long, bro. Yeah, in fact, this 5 minute candle, the volumes was so low that is sketchy to short because it's going to get swept very easily because of the low volume. But everything is low volume right now, so who cares? A 5 point stop. The divergence across sectors, yeah, it plays a part, man, because like look at ES, it doesn't have the same strength as NQ. Look at YM. YM is YM is it's bearish. YM is 100% bearish. And then NQ is going up now. So what can I do? Let's see what this 5 minute does. The ad that I took at 35 will probably get out at 28. And I see if it breaks this previous candle. But like it's a 5 point stop. It doesn't matter at all. Keeps me from getting married. Yeah, brother. You should get married, bro. Getting married is the best thing a man can do. If you're married to the right person. Don't forget that part. That part's the most important part. Oh yeah, get him. Yeah, bro. Married to a trade idea, 100%. Yeah, because if you're wrong, you're out of the trade quickly. Dum-dum-dum. See you tomorrow, Total. See you tomorrow, brother. Nice that you're up. It's very nice that you're up. Happy for you. Get good rest. Yeah. How do we just keep climbing? It's going to get the first 15-minute orb target 100%. It's going to squeeze up past Friday's high 100%. NQ to 28,000 this week, maybe, man. Imagine NQ to 28,000. I don't see what I can do, bro. Instead of have gone long around here. I like volatility, bro. I don't like when my price moves like this. Ooh, squeeze. Yeah, some type of news. Tokyo is opening, maybe? With the shorts? One minute, 40 seconds for... Is it Tokyo that is opening right now? I don't even know, bro. That's crazy. Pima, 99 bucks on that squeeze. Nice, brother. Awesome. Really awesome, bro. Big volume. Let's see if there's volatility. Why is it going without me, man? It's pushing. Everything is pushing. Yeah, now it's too high for me just to buy, you know? Oh, man. Iran proposes US deal to reopen Strait of Hormuz. Postpone nuclear talks. Yeah, this is bullish news. Let me go along here just to see what happens. If it squeezes this 500, it's just one micro. I'm going to add to this trade. If it really gives a pullback, like a 50 points pullback, I'm probably going to add. But let's see if I get like 20 24 points. I should have entered lower, man. Yeah, it could just rip like crazy. But it's at all-time highs right now. I'm almost long at all-time highs, bro. That's crazy offer. That's actually crazy. And 400's the second target of the orb, man. The orb really played. Really played. Don't be shy and kill. Don't be shy. Bro, somehow I'm long. I don't even know how I got long. Like, I'm long at a very bad price right now. Just rip, man. Yeah, Iran is proposing US deal to reopen Hormuz and everything and this and that, so maybe this is a good long, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to feel this. Let's see if it rips. Let's see if it rips. New 5-minute incoming in a few minutes, in a few seconds to be real. All this push right here is insider trading, bro. We all know that. Like, all of this push right here is insider trading. Those guys knew that that news was going to come out of Iran proposing like a deal, and they're already buying because of that, man. And it just ripped when the news came out. Benz, how you doing, my friend? What's up? Welcome. I'm jumping off this trade, man. I don't like this. If it's going to rip, just rip, man. Don't be like walking sideways after I enter the trade, bro. This is 100% insider trading, man. 100%. And this candle right here started pushing before, like before the news came out, because the news came out on this candle. So why does this candle push like a news candle? You know? We all know that, man. We all know that. Thanks for the likes, guys. We are above our goal of like goals. Yeah, beloved, there was some positive Iran news, and we are talking like this push right here is like 100% insider trading, man. Yeah, Nate, 100%. Like, I got in to see if it's going to keep ripping, but at some point you gotta, if it's not going your way, you gotta jump out of the trade. I was thinking about adding, but like, this is not real price action, so price action decisions makes no sense, you know. I was trying to add on the retest of this candle high right here, but like this is a price action decision, and this movement has nothing to do with price action, you know, so it makes no sense. Beloved, oh yeah, nice. Your husband has financial juice, nice. Either sideways or bear. Yeah, because the buyers at some point here has to take profit, you know, like this push right here, the buyers here at some point they will have to take profit, and for them to take profit they have to open shorts, and that pushes price down like it's doing right here. And all of the people that are stuck long on on these levels here, like I was, they are trying to add more to their trades, and that what that happens, they become liquidity for people to get out of their trades and take profit, you know. So at some point they'll probably get all stopped out below this candle or below this candle, and we'll probably see a pullback up again, you know. Oh man. See you in the morning. Have have a good rest. I'm going to get out soon as well. I'm going to jump out soon and give you guys and release you guys. Have a good night. Yeah, this Asia session was not as eventful as I would like it to be, or as we thought it would be. Like financial juice was without any updates for 4 hours. Any updates for 4 hours. Imagine financial juice has zero updates of any type of news for 4 hours. Rich GG Leo, good night. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, brother. Yeah. I'm happy that I green. I was red now and I'm green. It's nice. Tomorrow, London session, we'll catch something, or New York session, we will catch something, you know? Nate, no problem, man. It's my pleasure that you guys are here with me. If I open a stream and nobody shows up, like, it means, like, it's not fun at all. It's fun when you guys are here and when you guys interact with me. The chat is the real stream, you know? If I just here talking to the void, it means nothing, you know? It's only fun if I can talk to you guys. Yeah, so I think that's it, man. uh I'm going to wait for this next 15-minute candle to close, but I don't think I'm going to take trades anymore. The orb strikes again. Yeah, trading pennies 100%, bro. Like it gave the first target at 460 and the second target at 500, and I did not take it. I did not take it. I hope Pasha took it, you know? I hope Pasha took it. 100% I hope he took it. He was short. At some point I guess he got stopped out, and I hope he took the long on the orb, you know? Oh man, it's still raining, man. Ooh, going to sleep with the sound of rain, bro. That's good though. Yeah, guys, like I think that's it. I'm gonna ask you guys for you guys that follow us and still not uh subscribe to the stream. I I will ask you to consider subscribing, consider hitting the like button. Uh, if you guys are going to get some accounts on any Apex, Take Profit, My Funded, or anywhere, use our code Pasha to get the best discounts. That helps the stream a lot. Thankful for everyone that came. Hey Leo, can you make your mic louder? Hard to hear. Brother, I think my mic's almost like when I talk, it almost goes to red on OBS, and that's very loud. You know? Sometimes I talk like off the mic though. I apologize. Um, Tomorrow London session open will be here. Caesar, you hear me fine? Okay. Mal, see you later, brother. Uh, New York session, Pasha will be streaming like always. Uh, and I guess that's it, guys. I guess that's it. I'm not gonna take trades anymore. I have to sleep because I'm gonna be waking up to do the London stream. Brother, I think New York time, the London stream is programmed to 6 a.m. New York time. So what that time is for you, I don't know, brother. But it's 7.5 hours, no, 8.5 hours from now. So it's basically I'm going to sleep, wake up, and start streaming again. It's the London session starts 6 a.m. New York time. I don't do the open London. I do like after the first 1 hour and a half, I think. Yeah, bro. I'm streaming from Brazil, brother. The land of carnival. Yeah, 100%. So I'll ask you guys that. Consider subscribing to the stream. Consider hitting the like button. Thank you for sharing your time with me. If you're going to get any evals, use code Pasha. That helps the stream a lot. And be careful trading right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow on London session. Pasha will be with the New York session stream too. And I hope you guys have a good night. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you, Trading Pennies. Thank you, Revenant. Thank you, FEMA, all the mods, Lynette. Nate was here talking to me. Samuel, Angel. Take care, man. Samuel, Caesar, Mal. Benz was here. Revenant, Chris, Dima, Demolidor, everyone, man. I don't like to say like all of the names because sometimes I forgot. Take care, man. Take care. Take care, everyone. See you guys tomorrow.